Amazon Early Prime Day is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here, you'll find incredible discount of up to 40% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up 4 best portable washing machine on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon. So don't forget to watch till the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below.
Number 1. Portable Washing Machine 28 lbs Twin Tub Washer Mini Compact Laundry Machine with Drain Pump. Semi-automatic 18 lbs Washer 10 lbs Spinner Combo for dorms, apartments. Brand, OurTech. Capacity, 28 pounds. Special feature, high efficiency. Access location, top load. Finish type, painted. Cycle options, time to wash and spin. Item weight, 31 pounds. Material, polypropylene. Large capacity twin tub washer. OurTech portable mini washer has 2 separate tubs, washing tub and spin tub, allowing you to wash and dry clothes at the same time. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to fit in bathrooms or closets, perfect for dorms, apartments, RVs, etc. Note, there is water in the washing machine because it is tested before packaging. We do not sell used products. Powerful performance. Equipped with a 1300 RPM powerful motor, clothes can be washed quickly and efficiently. Washer capacity 18 lbs, spin capacity 10 lbs. Recommended maximum water line 13.5 inches. The transparent window allows you to see the process of washing or spinning. Our mini washer machine can achieve low consumption and save water while free your hands.
Number 2. ROVSUN 17.8 lbs Portable Washing Machine. Full automatic electric laundry machine with stainless steel drum, compact washer and spin dryer combo with drain pump for apartment, dorm, home. Capacity 17.8 pounds. Color white. Brand ROVSUN. Special feature air dry, delayed start, memory backup, special inner drum design, drum cleaning function, auto unbalance detection. Air dry, delayed start, memory backup, special inner drum design, drum cleaning function, auto unbalance detection. Cycle options, normal, quick, wool, delicate. Voltage, 110 volts. Access location, freestanding. Wattage, 400. Number of drying cycles, 4. 2-in-1 convenience. The 17.8 pounds, 1.5 cubic feet, fully automatic washing machine combines washing and spin drying functions, allowing you to wash and spin dry your clothes in one seamless process, making it the perfect all-in-one portable washing machine for your laundry needs. Say goodbye to laundry day hassle. Superior cleaning performance. This top-load portable washing machine features a unique diamond-patterned inner drum that reduces wear and tear on your clothes when washing, while improving cleanliness and ensuring you get spotless laundry. Also, it is built in a drain pump, which allows you to easily drain out water. Versatile washing options. Choose from 8 different washing modes and 5 water levels, making this clothes washer perfect for anything from heavily soiled items to delicate fabrics. Enjoy quick washes in just 26 minutes, making it ideal for busy lifestyles and different laundry demands.
Number 3. 0.28 pounds Portable Washing Machine. Fully automatic portable washer with LED display, 10 wash cycles, 5 water levels, 24H delays, top-load washing machine for apartment, RV, dorm, home. Brand, OurTech. Capacity, 28 pounds. Special feature, adjustable leveling legs, child lock, delay start, drum clean, protective rat mesh. Access location, top load. Color, white plus black. Cycle options, bulky, heavy duty, normal, quick wash, tub clean. Item weight, 62 pounds. Material, ABS, stainless steel. Recommended uses for product, residential. 10 wash cycles and 5 water levels. OurTech's full automatic washer offers 10 washing programs, which includes quick wash, 26 minutes, standard, bulky, soft, spin only, wash only, soak, rinse and spin, tub air dryer, tub clean. You can also choose from 5 water levels, allowing you to customize your wash to fit various laundry needs and fabric types. Perfect for homes, apartments, RVs, and dorms. Powerful 400-watt motor and 24H delays. The 400-watt motor, combined with a 1600 RPM spin speed, delivers powerful washing and effective water extraction, helping to cut down spinning time. Additionally, a 24-hour delay start function, press Program/Delay and Start/Pause button for 3 seconds, allows you to schedule washes at your convenience, making it an ideal choice for busy households. Built-in drain pump and tub self-cleaning. Equipped with a built-in drain pump, this portable washer easily drains water from any height, eliminating the hassle of manual water disposal. The washing machine also features a tub self-cleaning function, ensuring that the drum remains clean from detergent residue after every use, keeping your laundry experience easy and enjoyable. Compact and space-saving design. With dimensions of just 23 inches by 23 inches by 36 inches, this portable washing machine is designed to fit perfectly in small spaces, like apartments, dorms, and RVs. It also comes with a faucet adapter for easy installation, ensuring that it meets the water inlet requirements.
Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 0.19 cubic feet portable washer. 6.6 pound capacity washing machine for homes and apartments. 5 wash cycles, quick connect sink adapter and drain hose included. LED display, BPWM09W, white. Brand, BLACK+DECKER. Capacity, 0.9 cubic feet. Special feature, child lock. Access location, top load. Finish type, stainless steel. Cycle options, gentle, heavy duty, normal, rapid, soak. Item weight, 48.4 pounds. Material, aluminum 2%, steel 47%, copper 1%, plastic, ABS, PS 34%, foamy materials 3%, glass 3%, other 10%. Multiple wash cycles. Wash your laundry at home with this BLACK+DECKER portable washer. Our portable clothes washer has 5 cycle selections: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak. Cold water wash only. This portable washing machine offers 3 water level choices for small, medium, and large loads up to 6.6 pounds capacity for cold water only temperature settings. Stainless steel tub. Our 0.9 cubic feet portable laundry machine features a durable, rust and corrosion resistant stainless steel wash tub with top-loading transparent quiet close lid to view contents. Safety features. Our small washing machine features auto unbalance detection to ensure laundry is cleaned at peak performance, as well as auto shut-off safety features and child lock protection. Portable convenience. Connect and disconnect this apartment washing machine with ease, and transport from kitchen or bathroom to storage closet on 2 roller wheels with side handles when it's needed.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.